Hello everyone, and this is your reading for April 2023 from Zidam Astrology. This is for all ascendants of the Air Trine, and please recall that I also do an alignment of tarot and Vedic astrology. Okay, I've once again included my video just as a change up. You know, I don't like to be boring. I hate routine. I don't like to do the same thing over and over again. And you know, we say that we do the same thing over and over again and expect the same results. Well, I don't expect the same results because I expect something different with every reading. And I like to show you from time to time this is what I do. So our first card for the trine reading for the air trine is ring. And we are doing the past, present, and future spread with Lenormand. We have the clover here now. So we have the ring, the clover, and the tree. This is your past row. Then we start off with mountain, followed by coffin. And this is the present row that we're looking at. And the final card in the present row is key. Future comes from the house, and it is followed by fish, and the final card for the reading is ship. So this is your reading, Air Trine. Let us look at the analysis. Okay, Air Trine, let's start off with your analysis for the Lenormand spread that we just saw on video. Let us look at our first row, which we will have the past, and you know that's the immediate past, and we have the ring here, and the ring tells us about a promise, a commitment, a contract. It can also be about a payment, and as you can see, this card has the genie from the lamp, you know, the genie that we all know from that story, Aladdin. And it tells about 3 wishes that are to be granted to Aladdin for finding this lamp and releasing the genie. So what is it you were releasing? What it is you have found that you feel you are committed to making 3 promises or getting 3 wishes? What is the relationship or the contract that you feel you are eligible or entitled to? You know, this ring is all about a new beginning, because we also have the ace of clubs here, which is the ace of wands. It's something about action. You know, it's a new beginning for you. It's a new contract, it's a new payment, it's a new relationship. What is it? Are you going to take the out, or did you take the action? Let us see. Clover, luck, good fortune, the small joys in life, opportunity. So the opportunity is there. Did you take it? Because you got the opportunity, you got the commitment, you got the contract. There is a relationship that was there. What did you do? Did you miss the opportunities? Was it your good fortune that you missed the opportunities, or was it not? Let's see. The tree. Now the tree is also about deep roots, health, healing, spiritual growth, you know, that you are deeply rooted to something. So that was that your stoppage, as it were? Did you not make that commitment because of your deep roots to something or someone? The opportunities unlock it. It seems to me that you didn't take the opportunities because you felt committed elsewhere. You felt committed probably to something or someone who had deeper roots than this new contract, this new partnership that you think would not have brought you the opportunities or joys, the small joys. Did you choose the small joys over the material success? What was the decision, or what were the decisions of your past? In the present, we have the mountain, the coffin, and the key. Mm. Now, the mountain is always about obstacles where you have to get over to find good on the other side, you know, get over those rough phases to find what is on the other side of the mountain. And you could have been stuck, or you are still stuck because your deep roots here, and we can see how these deep roots knights the mountain. So because of these deep roots, you are still stuck in the present from the past. You have not moved on, but something has to end. Something has to end and become final for you to move on. And you need to make that decision as to what is what is more important to you. And the key is there. The key is telling you that it is important. It is important for you to bring an end to something before you can move on to the past. What is the commitment that you don't want to make, or the luck that you feel is not yours because of these deep roots? And anyway we look at it, the key here, the key, when we look at the key knighting, the key is knighting the ring, the opportunities. So the cards are telling you that this is where you are to go. You are to use those opportunities. You are to look at these new relationships, because your deep roots is the cause of you not moving forward, of you having obstacles in the present. That is what these cards are showing you, very summarily. Recall, I always tell you that if I don't know your information, these are just generic and general reading. So let's see what the future is going to bring. And the future is going to bring your home comforts, a house. And house is all about family, security, sanctuary. And fish is about abundance. Abundance, abundance, abundance. Business, finance, prosperity. And the ship is all about relocating, travel, leaving, going to somewhere foreign. It may not be your country, it might be somewhere in your country that you've never been to. So the future is telling you to gain that security for your home, to gain that abundance. You must travel, you must relocate, you must leave where you are now. Those deep roots are bringing you the obstacle. Those deep roots are what is holding you back and what have you stuck in the present. But if you want to relieve yourself and take that away, then you have to travel. You have to travel to relocate, to remove those obstacles, that mountain that you appear that you have to climb. And the house here, your home, your family will allow you to make that decision, because they are the key to you getting sanctuary, to you getting security. And this is what the cards are telling us, So whatever you are holding on to, it may not be worth it. Air Trine. Whatever you are holding on to, it may not be worth it, because at present you are stuck. You cannot move forward at all. Let us see what conscious entity. This is from the Bhagavad Gita, and it tells us, this is chapter 13, verse 34. Just as one sun illuminates the entire solar system, so does the individual soul illuminate the entire body with consciousness, so that those whose minds are enchanted by a sense of enjoyment and material opulence never find the resolute determination to practice spiritual life. And when you practice spiritual life, you get peace, you get harmony, you get understanding of others. You feel that sense of peace. You are conscious of what you're doing and where you are and who you are. And this is what this card is telling you. And then we have the goddess Aizan, miracles. And Aizan is the patroness of the initiation into the voodoo cult from the Caribbean island, Haiti. And this Aizan means very well chosen friend of the earth. She's one of the most important spirits in voodoo, and also the first mambo or priestess. And she punishes adults who take advantage of the young, the rich, or the poor, the strong and the weak, or the husband or the wife of persons. If you take advantage of people because of their circumstances, she punishes you. And salutes are most complicated for this voodoo priestess, but we give her all the respect because she is extremely strict when it comes to tradition. So that, she's the guardian of the traditions, and the African language still have her in high esteem through their songs. So Aizan is all about miracles. And the miracle is for you to understand that those deep roots are what is holding you back. Be conscious of not looking for material opulence, because you would not find the determination to move forward. These are the reasonings and the practicalities for the Air Trine for April 2023. So Air Trine, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, understand what the cards are telling you. Take the advice or not. The choice is always yours, as I say at Zedam Astrology. For more in-depth reading that is specific to you, please visit my website at zedamastrology.com, my YouTube channel, and leave a comment, get in contact with me for a specific reading for you if you are interested. Okay, Air Trine, with Bhagwan's blessings, you know I always give thanks to him because he has guided me and brought me this way. Also, a little reminder again of that predictions video, and it is just a synopsis. It is not complete. It is a teaser, as it were, for you to find out more about yourself or about the bhavas that I speak to in the video. You need to contact me. You need to drop me a line at either zedamastrology.com or make a comment, share, subscribe, sign up. And Bhagwan has brought me once again to this place where I can thank him and thank you for listening. And I hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again.